Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover NAB internet banking when logged out. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you're logged out of NAB internet banking, then what you can do is simply head over and open up your NAB banking app and be sure to be logged into your account. If not logged in, then simply tap on logged in option, and on the bottom of your enter your password box you'll find the option that says forget your password. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts to reset using your NAB ID found on your NAB A card or welcome letter, then date of birth and other verification details, a one-time SMS code if you have SMS security enabled. If this doesn't work, then you can also contact NAB directly by simply calling on the number. If you are in Australia, then 132265, which is 24 hours, and from overseas, what you need to do is dial 6138419083 and be ready with your NAB ID or customer number and personal identification details like date of birth, address, and etc., and possibly your card details for verification as well. And if you can't resolve it from your contact support, all you gotta do is visit a NAB branch. If you can't resolve it online or by phone, simply visit nearest NAB branch with your valid photo ID, your NAB card account details, and they can reset your access on the spot. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.